Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove this equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We just concentrate on this one. So we know that secant of x, that is about 1 over cosine x. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sine x. Next, we need to multiply by sine x on numerator and denominator. So we know that sine x over cosine x, we have tan x. Sine x multiplied by this one and this one, we have sine x plus 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.